What up, everyone? What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken? What up, Low Roller? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here, as always. 1 second, let me just do something here. Alright. So today is Wednesday, February. First day of February. February 1st, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we are doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. So when I was getting set up for the show, SPY was crazy. Yeah, hit 414 almost at the high. And kind of pulled back a little bit. Right at the end here, down to 410. But it's going up. It's going back up a little bit here, up to 411.6 now. So, yeah. So regardless, very strong day here today for the stock market. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. We'll get to that. Damn, AVYA making any money? I did not see that. How much did it go up today? 13%? 14%? Nice. Congrats, dude. Yeah, I think pretty much everyone made tendies today. D-Lucky Experiment launched new scammer product called Blackjack Experience. Alright, well, not surprised there. Careful, guys. Here, ambulance. My bad, guys. Gonna talk over it. Bro, I shorted SPY at 400. Why I keep going up? Are you trolling or what? Did you actually short SPY at 400? Oh, you might be in trouble, dude. I think you're trolling, though. You're not selling? AVYA? Yeah, I see here it's like right around fair market value now. Yeah, good luck, dude. Glad you, not sure how much you're up, but it's gone up quite a bit since you entered, right? So yeah, congrats, and good luck. Did Fed raise 75 points? No, 25 points. We'll get to that. You're up 2K? Nice, dude. Alright, guys. Let's do some quick rainbow bearing. I see something here. Alright, ALGN. Actually, no news. Did they have earnings? Oh, I guess they had earnings. What's going on here? Yeah, I guess they did have earnings. So I guess I shouldn't go for this. What's the earnings? Well, the earnings, can't find them anywhere, but it is mooning, so I think we'll just leave it alone. Yep, okay. Other than that, oh, Meta's, no, yeah, Meta is mooning. Wow. So, we'll get to that. I think, yeah, they had earnings as well. So, nothing really going on right now, post-market, except for earnings. We'll check out Meta in a second here. Alright. Back to the main screen here. You heard Tom Brady retired today? Yeah, that's like breaking news. He said it's for good this time. I kind of believe him, not totally. But, oh well. Maybe we can get Aaron Rodgers. Or Derek Carr, whatever. Alright, cool. Alright, got a great show for you guys today. So yeah, Tandy Town. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Actually, I don't have too much content. So yeah, daily stock and crypto reviews, live rainbow bearing, all that good stuff. Today we're going to analyze. There's quite a bit to get to today. All right, let's do MSGM, as you see in the title. Major runner today, still squeezing. MSGM, AMD. Why is AMD mooning? Did that have earnings too? We'll do AMD, MGAM. Yeah, just those three it looks like. MSGM, AMD, and MGAM. And anything else you guys want me to look at. So, 3 TAs. Few articles today. Let me see here. I think we have like 3 articles today. Let's see. Yeah, 3 articles today. One about update on FTX. One about the rate hike today. Big news. Or the big news today. And then one about an update on the debt ceiling. So 3 articles. That shouldn't take too long. And then for the Yolos, we have quite a few today. 12 Yolos. A lot of memes, though. So, yeah, some decent content there. Anyway, so yeah, today, guys, probably be around hour and a half again. Hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on how many people come in and chat. But today was a really good day, and Wednesdays are one of the better days for streaming. So, yeah, probably hour and a half to 2 hours. We'll see. But, all right, guys. That's all I got for the intro here, so let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You want him to win Super Bowl for Dallas Cowboy? They're not getting Brady. Well, he says he's done, but if he does come back, it's either going to be, the Jets, the 49ers, or the Bucks. Alright, we actually have, alright, let's go here. What's the CETX? This did halt earlier. I don't know why CETX is moving so hard here, but it is mooning. Let's see. CETX. Yeah, it's up 120%. No more shares. Yeah, not sure what's going on here, but it is squeezing, it's mooning, and keep an eye on that. Yeah, let's look at Meta. Yeah, Meta, HTGM. No news there. OXPR. Alright, seems like there's a decent amount of action, but nothing really going on. Bunch of earnings, actually. Refresh this one more time. Yeah, this is up quite a bit. CETX. Alright, I think for now, that's about it. Nothing's really going on. Just the CETX and Meta and some other stuff that had earnings. So we'll keep an eye on CETX, and let's take a look at Meta right now. Alright, so yeah, definitely moving here, post-market. Let's take a look. Alright, a lot to get to here. Alright, so EPS 176, missed the 222 estimate. So that's quite a miss. Revenue was 32.17 billion, beat the 31.53 billion estimate. So, yeah, EPS miss, revenue beat. Guidance is pretty much in line. Says they're going to restructure. Going to spend $1 billion to restructure this year. $40 billion buyback authorization. Okay, that's pretty bullish. $40 billion buyback. That is. Does Facebook even have $40 billion? Is that right? It says 40 billion. That is a lot of money. All right. They say $40 billion stock buyback. It might be them just buying all the stock back right now. Anyway, so the earnings weren't that great. You know, EPS miss, revenue beat, so neutral earnings. But yeah, bullish news. They're going to spend $1 billion restructuring, 40 billion stock buybacks. So I guess that's why it's mooning here. Very bullish news. So it's up like 20%, almost 20% aftermarket. So congrats to the Meta Apes. Alright, yeah, Meta is mooning. Look forward to seeing some gain corn there, or lost corn. Hear another siren. My bad, guys. Going to talk over it. Siren's been crazy the last 2 days. Alright, let's do another quick scan, then let's get to my plays. KBNT. Don't know why that is mooning. HTGM. No. There's Meta. Yep, nothing. I lag. Nothing. Cool, alright. We'll come back to this. Let's get to my plays today. So, yeah, really bullish day, and I did really good today. Because I didn't go for any of these damn squeeze stocks. Alright, let's update this. GMVD. Alright, guys. So, I didn't post in Discord today, my bad. But, today I had 11 plays. Let's run down the list. Did pretty good today. And, still going here, aftermarket. Alright, so SPRB up 2%, down 70. BWEN up 0.2%, down 5. SNOA up 2.4%, down 35. May have to cut that soon. We'll see. GMVD down 19%, up 405. CNTX down 5.65%, up 125. Sober break even. HILS down 14.15%, up 300. So, all right, not done yet. Big one here, RCRT. I got a really good price on this earlier. 96 cents. It's currently at 60, so I'm up 880 right now, and looking to cover soon here. I'm gonna cover at 55, so yeah, up 880 there, big gainer, and still holding. And then BGXX also got a very excellent entry here today at 135. So it's currently at 125, up 180 there. And that should pull back pretty significantly tomorrow. Then there's ADIL. Shorted at 80, covered at 53. Made some pretty fat gains there, about 700, I think. And then Gene, Gene, shorted at 150, covered at, or no, shorted at like 136, something like that, covered at $1. I think I made like 500 there. Anyway, so yeah, overall, pretty fat tendies for me today here. 2.3K. 2.3K. So I did lose more than that yesterday. But yep, making it back here. So I will take it. And yeah, set up pretty good for tomorrow. All these stocks still heavily shorted. Yeah, so good day today and looking like a pretty good day tomorrow. I'm set up for one at least. Okay. Cool. So yeah. So really bullish day. We'll get to that in a second. But even as Rainbow Bear, I did really, really well because I avoided MSGM probably. Excuse me. Oh, I have any tissues here? Nope. Alright, whatever. Alright, so BXGX is pulling back post-market here. Anyway, yep, that's my place for today, guys. Update this. Alright, I do have 9. Okay. Cool. Yep, so pretty good day for me here today. Let's do another scan and get on to the watch list. You short MSG again. MSGM. No, I was thinking about it. Decided not to, and good thing I didn't. Because that would have been pretty bad. Alright. Looks like nothing going on post-market still. We'll come back to this. I actually need to go grab some tissues because I'm very stuffy here. So give me like 10 seconds, guys. Alright, my bad. Let's Let's get back to it. All right, watch list time. Gonna take a quick drink and we will run down the watch list here. Really good, actually. All right, let's do it. Oops. All right, the Dow Jones. Let's do this. Dow Jones up 0.02%. NASDAQ up 2.16%. Great day there for the NASDAQ. And the S&P up 1.06%. So, yeah, pretty bullish day here in the stock market. Dow Jones, little disappointing. But, yeah, especially NASDAQ, SPY, really, really good. VIX is down 7.89%. Very good. So, yeah, 1.53 points. We're at 17.87 VIX now. Very, very good. I don't know when the last time the VIX was that low. A year ago? Very, very long time. Yeah, this is literally the yearly low on the VIX. So this is very good. This is very, very good. Nice. Okay. So, not saying bear market is over, but it's looking like it more and more. Are you drinking General So wine? No, it's mineral water. San Pellegrino. Alright, let's get to the watch list. Let's start on the red side, because literally nothing's in the red, except for Snap. I think they had earnings yesterday, right? Snap down 10.3%, nasty. Some memes here, BBIG, XCLA. That's about it. Chevron's in the red. Chevron, Exxon. So oil's not doing too good today. Other than that, that's about it. In the red, AT&T, American Express, Discover, TD. So yeah, I guess financials not doing so good either. I mean, they're not doing bad. Pfizer, McDonald's, JP Morgan. Yeah, so it just looks like financials and oil, the weakest sectors today. But everything else looks like it's in the green. So yeah, not much in the red. And green side. So MGAM, 45%. I think we're going to analyze that, right? Yes, we'll get to that. Pulling back a little in the aftermarket, but we'll get to that. Peloton doing really good, 26.5%. Microvision, 17%. Big day for AMD, 12.6%. Coinbase, 12%. Yeah, a lot of growth. Growth doing well. Crypto stocks going up, so I believe crypto did well today. Nvidia, 7.2%. Big day there. AMC, 6.7%. Yeah, Tesla, 4.7%. Palantir up 5.4%. Meme index 4%. So mostly growth up here. Wow, Target about 3%. Yeah, so it looks like value is 3% and lower. Got Target, Intel, Meta, which is really mooning right now. All 3%. Netflix 2.3. Not going to spend the most time here, because pretty much everything's in the green. But yeah. So value is like 3% and lower. Ford's 2%, Microsoft 2%, Amazon 2%, Domino's 2%, Google 1.5%. Anyway, yeah, so literally everything in the green here. And a lot of price action on everything, growth and value. So excellent day for the bulls here. Very, very bullish day. So, yeah, 2023 has been pretty kind, not going to lie. It's been bullish all year. So we're at 11 or 411.5 SPY now post market, so that's bullish for tomorrow. And RSI is at 65 right now, so not quite overbought, but approaching that. And this may have topped out. Yeah, like 412. Anyway, 421 incoming, fill this gap, and then 430 to complete this cup. Okay, cool. There's the stock market, guys. Let's get to crypto and the news. Let's do another scan first, actually. I see something here. Big movement, 10x. Notice of... Alright, yeah, they got news. Let's check it out. Got a few things here. Alright, 10x. $2. So, that'd be like 280. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this. Uh-oh. Logged me out. Oh, this is mooning, huh? Alright. Gotta hurry up. Gotta hurry up. I'll take 3. I'll take $3. Oh, but there's no more shares. Alright, so I'll put in the order and then I'll, this is absolutely mooning. This is going nuts right now. 350, 370. Alright, now it's coming back down. Big drop. Anyway, there's no more shares. But I put it in the order here. Oh, I just got filled. Alright, I got a pretty big fill. Not a total fill. I got filled at 309 average. It was not a great fill. Anyway, yeah, so I got partially filled here, mostly filled. So I need $150 more, not even. Yeah, $150 more. Anyway, so I got filled at 309 here. Not the greatest entry. I mean, I would have taken 280, so I guess it is actually not a bad entry at all. And it seems like it's calming down now. So yeah, 324. All right, so I'm in here. Let me adjust. Actually, it's coming down fast. 280. All right. 56. All right. So I'm in 10x here. I'm in 10x here. Partial fill. So yeah, currently down. Price action still going kind of nuts. Well, we'll see what happens. But I'm in here and trying to get fully filled. All right. So there's 10x. CNTX still going pretty nuts. There was another one I saw. Or was it? Is it this one? LCI? Alright, that had earnings. Okay, and KBNT is going nuts too. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Yeah, it's crazy price action. Crazy price action. Looks like it's bull flagging, which is not good. I mean, I guess I'm happy with with my entry here. Whatever. Damn, BGXX is going back up. That's unfortunate. Alright, so, yeah, we'll move on, but I'm in here. 10x. Maybe I should have waited a little bit, but not a bad fill, I guess. Excuse me, guys. Should have muted. Hear my nose blowing. Alright. Cool. Let's get to crypto and the news. Yeah, it's moving quite a bit. Let me put in... what's it? KBNT. Alright, 1 second, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's going pretty bad now. It's, yeah, it's breaking out. Not good, not good. 360, 364. This is gonna bull flag. Yeah, whatever. Alright, let's get to crypto and the news, guys. Alright, just made a new high. That is not good. Yeah, it's up to 380 and climbing. Not good. Crazy price action. Now it's down to 345, 330. Wow. I'm gonna let it do its thing. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Or I told you to long MS. So why didn't you long it, dude? Yeah, you were right. Why didn't you long it? You did? Alright, congrats, man. I mean, I didn't lose, so I'm not unhappy, but yeah, dude, risky stuff. I'm glad you made money there. They should do an offering soon. They did, dude. They did it this morning. Like, I'm not even trolling you. They did do an offering this morning. It still went up. It went down. It was at 80 this morning. You know that, right? It was at 80, and they did an offering. Wow, 10x. Insane price action. Maybe I should have waited. So it's gonna push 4 now. Not good. Alright, we'll move on. Alright. What up, O'Milly? What's up? BuzzFeed? We could take a look at that. Honestly, dude, it's... I mean, quick summary, it's probably over, to be honest with you. Looks like the squeeze is done. You should probably hit the sell button. But we'll look at the chart. That's just based on what I see in the last few days. But we'll look at the chart, and we'll do a better analysis. But appreciate you, dude. Haven't seen you in a while. Man, if you long, you would have made 100K. Not sure about that. Definitely not. Would have made maybe 35K if I held to the top. What price did I short MS? It's MSGM. 450. And I went to 80. So yeah, if I yeah, but it's not 100K. It's not 100K, and no one's gonna sell the top. So yes, it is a lot of money. And you know what? And just this stuff doesn't happen. Like that was just pure gambling, dude. Like I don't YOLO. I don't gamble. So yes, I would have made a lot of money, but it just doesn't make sense to do that. So I'm not unhappy, dude. Like I'm not like, oh my god, I missed out. I didn't FOMO. No, dude. That is like just really stupid. You should not go long. You should not go long when the thing is already up 500%. It worked this time, but it typically doesn't. And that is not a good long-term winning strategy. So, yeah, I would have made a lot of money. And sucks I didn't, but I'm not upset at all. This stuff is absurd. All right. As I'm telling you, most people that made money there are still down overall. All right. Let's get to crypto here. All right, 10x is pulling back now. All right, crypto time. So here's crypto. That's up 2.88%. All right, let's check it out. So yeah, pretty bullish day here in crypto. So we got Bitcoin up 3.75%, pushing 24K. Very nice. So maybe even crypto winter is over. Ether up 4.3%, pushing 1650. Binance 2.7%. A lot of green here. Doge is down. Only thing I see down. Leo's down. Yeah, not much in the red. Let's sort this out. But seems like decent price action. But not anything too crazy. We'll start on the red side. I jumped in today. I bought the warrants. When you buy and sell warrants, is it just like buying the regular stock share or just a different price? No, it's actually more like options, to be honest. Yeah, it's actually more like options. So, not sure what you did there, but be careful, dude. Be careful. Stuff can go really bad. It can go really right, too, but it can go really bad. So it's like similar to options. It's kind of complicated, but it's similar to options. That's like the very simple way of explaining it. In terms of like time and strike. All right, so red side. So we got a whole 3 coins in the red here. Leo, Doge, and BitDAO. So Leo is the biggest loser, 2.27%. So literally nothing in the red here. Really bullish day. And on the green side, so literally everything in the green. 97% of the coins in the green. Not the most price action. We only got 8 coins in the double digits. Not that much value up here. But yeah, decent amount of green. Pretty much everything in the green. Decent price action. And decent value. So yeah, overall, not the most bullish day, but, you know, really pretty bullish day here in crypto. So yeah, really bullish day in stock market. Bullish day here in crypto. So overall, you know, fat tendies today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Even Remo Bears should have been making some pretty fat tendies. All right, cool. So there's our crypto, guys. Let's get on to the news today. So once again, we got 3 articles. One update about FTX, one about the rate hike today, and one about the debt ceiling. Okay, let's do it. First article, FTX and affected parties request subpoenas for information from close relatives. All right, so yeah, John Ray, the recovery team, is still doing their their asset recovery, and now they're going after SBF's inner circle because he may have laundered money to them. So they're going after his brother, his mom, and his dad, and his close friends that worked with him. And they're also accusing him of lying on social media. So it sounds like a lot of people are ignoring the subpoenas. But, yeah. Can't ignore them forever if they take legal action. So, yeah, I'm on an article here. There's probably some assets here and there laying around, and they'll recover a little bit of money. So, yeah, good job by the asset recovery team. And I hope they recover everything that needs to be recovered, and, you know, everyone gets made as whole as they can be. But, yeah, just the FTX update here. They're going after Sam's inner circle. Rightfully so. All right, next article. This is the big one today. Full recap of the Federal Reserve's rate hike and Chairman Jerome Powell's news conference. All right, so let's just go over the highlights. So Jay Powell's focus is the labor market. So he's watching the jobs data more than anything else. Don't expect a rate cut in 2023. So they're going to stick to the hikes. That is gross. What is that? Yeah, so don't expect rate cuts, just more hikes. And they are leaning slightly dovish. So they're easing up. They're still, hiking the rates, but yeah, it went from 75 down to 25, and it's probably going to keep being 25 from here on out until inflation's down to 2%. But yeah, they're getting not as strict, loosening policy there. Expects growth at a subdued pace. So he says there'll be positive growth, but subdued pace, so slower 2023. Disinflationary process has started. All right, so that's pretty bullish statement there. We can now say, I think for the first time, that the disinflationary process has started. We can see that, and we see it really in goods prices so far. All right, so he's saying inflation is going down, which we clearly see that. We're at 11% now. We're at 6.5. So clearly, but the Fed is officially saying that inflation is going down. But he still says it's premature to declare victory on inflation. Well, not declare victory, but we're fighting back, coming back strong. And more rate hikes ahead to bring down inflation. So, yep. That is expected. Economy is still in early stages of easing inflation. I don't know about that. We're like halfway there already. I'd say we're in the middle here. And yeah, inflation isn't over, but fighting back now. All right, so a whole bunch of stuff about inflation. Anyway, so yeah, this was seems price. Well, yeah, it was priced in 0.25%. 99% of the market thought it was going to be 0.25%. It was, but yeah, I think this disinflation thing that he said comment really very bullish. Market very bullish on that. Okay. So yeah, there's the big news today, guys. Rate hike, very bullish. All right, last one about the debt ceiling here. All right, Biden and McCarthy clash ahead of White House debt ceiling meeting. President Joe Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy will meet Wednesday afternoon to discuss the looming U.S. debt ceiling deadline. The meeting is a key test of whether the Democratic president and Republican House Speaker can build a working relationship. But while McCarthy is preparing for a negotiation, the White House is battening down the hatches for a fight. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has estimated Congress may need to suspend or increase the debt limit before early June to avoid a first ever default on U.S. debt. All right, so yeah, they have to start tackling this issue now. So I'm fairly confident that they will get something done. They'll work something out. This is completely normal. You know, how many damn government shutdowns have we had, or threatening to shut down the government? So they still got like 4 months to go before we actually go into default. So they'll work something out within that time. U.S. has never defaulted, and it probably won't. Most likely won't. So people, this is like a bigger. The media is like making this out to be a bigger thing than it actually is. This is like this happens every year. Politicians can't agree on a budget. Comes down to the last minute, they figure it out. We're all good. All right. Cool. That's all the articles for today, guys. Good stuff. So let me actually pull up some Yolos and let that load while we do some more live rainbow bearing and some TA. Alright, Yolo's loading up. Oh, nice. Look at that. 10x is pulling back quite a bit now. So I was down like $400. Now I'm up 50, 60. I'm still not fully filled here. I wanna fill here. 280. That'd be nice. Anyway, I got a pretty decent fill. Alright, we'll see what happens with this. Where is the 220 is my cover. Alright, so 10x going good now. Let's do another scan. Alright, 10x going back up. Crazy price action there. iLag, LCI, Meta. Yep. Still nothing. Just 10x. FNGO. No. Alright, let's get to some TA. What up, Swirls? And what up, Soar? What's up? Oops. going on here?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. BGXX is going the wrong way now. Okay. Been seeing rumors of squeeze on AMC and boards and chats. Seen anything to support it, or do Abe drink too much Kool-Aid? What boards and chats? Yeah, so if so not financial advice, but you should probably inverse what the apes say. Tends to work. That's how I make a living. Bro, news needs to be dramatic for ratings. What are you talking about? What news? What ratings? Thoughts on TMC? All right, we will look at that. So let me do the regular TA on MSGM, MGAM, some other stuff. And then we'll look at the stuff you guys want me to look at. What was it? BuzzFeed and TMC. Sure. Debt ceiling news. For ratings, you mean people watching the show? No, people watch the show when you put in a meme stock in the title, like now. It is doom. Sky is falling. Time to sell the news. Sell the news on what? Uh-oh. 10X is making a comeback here. All right, let's do some TA. So MSGM. All right, so I don't know what's going on here. This is absolutely insane. So second day of the squeeze. Squeeze is still on. And yeah, this hit 80 in the pre-market. Totally insane. And then it had an offering. It had an offering and the stock is still up today. So offering at like 60 and then it went down to 25. Crazy. Back up to 50 and finishes at 37 here. 35 now. Anyway, so yep, looking pretty bearish. I know I said that yesterday, but yeah, I really don't know why you would go long here. You guys are insane if you want to go long here. 93 RSI, super overbought, super overvalued. Looks like the squeeze, I mean, it's not done just yet, but looks like it's pretty much done or coming to an end here. Massive pullback in volume, only 14.5 million in volume today, as opposed to like 50 million yesterday. Gap up at 305, so this should come back down to 305 at some point in the future. It may take a while, but big gap up there. Cup and handle at about 47, so bearish there. Aftermarket action down to 35, so yeah, there's literally nothing bullish about this stock anymore. Yeah, cup and yep. No bullish indicators at all. Maybe the MACD. Yeah, MACD is bullish, actually. That's the only thing that's bullish. But other than that, so MACD bullish, but cup and handle, gap up, RSI, aftermarket action, all bearish. So yeah, crazy price action here. I don't know how this even went to 80. But for sure, not financial advice. But yeah, going long, pretty bad idea right now. 93 RSI, extremely overbought, extremely overvalued. And yeah, you know, due for a significant pullback here. Squeeze is pretty much coming to an end. So not financial advice, but I would not recommend going long. And going short is a little risky, somewhat risky still, because this is technically still squeezing, but excellent entry here. And as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure, this should be some pretty fat tendies to the downside. So, unpopular opinion, but squeeze, winding down, don't go long. That's FOMO. And going short, little risky, but should pay off pretty big in the short term here. So, say short term bearish. I can't even say what about long term. I don't know much about the company, but short term bearish. So yeah, if you guys are up, hit the sell button. Scare your gains, don't go long, and short down. Not financial advice. Isn't at the market offering good thing? No, any type of offering is not a good thing, dude. Any type of capital raise, any type of dilution is not good. No. Well, not that's not true. It's fundamentally not good, but sometimes for whatever reason, stocks do moon on bearish news sometimes. So, yeah, reverse splits offerings for some reason sometimes stocks moon on that. So, it's never a good thing fundamentally, but sometimes it does go in the positive direction. Let's put it that way. Okay. All right, 10x cooling off here. So there's that. All right, so MGAM, which is very similar. So trading in sympathy with what do we just look at? MSGM. All of the really all of the gaming, betting, and esports, for some reason, those stocks are squeezing past 2 days. So this is trading in sympathy with MSGM, but pretty much same thing. So RSI is at 87 right now, overbought, overvalued. Aftermarket action down to 345, so pulling back there. Bearish, gap up at 286. So bearish should come back down to 286 to fill that gap. Volume pulling back, although it's not. It's almost the same as yesterday, but volume is pulling back. And this may have topped out at around about $5-ish. So, yeah, so pretty much the same thing. Not as much data, but, yeah, same thing. Only bullish indicator, MACD, bearish indicators in the cup and handle, gap up, RSI, and aftermarket action. So, yeah, seems short-term bearish. Not nearly as bearish as MSGM. Not nearly as much downside potential, but this should pull back down to at least 286, fill the gap there. Probably go a little lower than that. So, yeah, can't say long-term, but short-term bearish, in my opinion. Pretty much same thing as, this is a less dramatic version of MSGM. Alright, so there's that, AMD. Alright, AMD and Versus. Cool. So AMD, alright, they had earnings yesterday. So good earnings and moon today. So take it with a grain of salt because this did moon on earnings. But we do have a, so it's now at 72 RSI. Triple gap up, actually. Triple gap up. So that's bearish. Yeah, RSI bearish. Overbought, overvalued. Triple gap up at 75, 70, and then 64. So, I mean, obviously long-term bullish. But yeah, short-term, getting some pretty bearish indicators now in the... And the gap did fill here, gap up. But yeah, actually, it's kind of the same thing. Cup and handle developing, triple gap up, high RSI. Only bullish indicator is the MACD. Maybe also an ascending channel here. Anyway, so yeah, long-term bullish, short-term looks like this is due for some pullback. So I try to get this back at 70. No, my bad. 64, 65, I think is a really good entry. So yeah, bullish here, bullish long-term, but looks like it's a little overheated at the moment. Should pull back, some healthy pullback. So I'm gonna say short-term bearish, long-term bullish, and last one here, and then we'll do TMC and BuzzFeed. So versus, yeah, so I don't know what happened today. Well, they had news. Again, more of this AI gaming esports squeeze, part of that. But yeah, definitely squeezed here today. 62 million volume, biggest volume day of the year. 77 RSI, so overbought, overvalued right now. Gap up at 65, so it should come back down to 65 at some point, fill that gap. Aftermarket action down to 140, 136 now actually, so bearish there. Fill the gap up, and there's actually still another gap up to be filled back at 20 cents. So double gap up, 60, 65, and then 20. Yeah, so big squeeze today, gamma squeeze, short squeeze, whatever. Definitely due for some big pullback. Looks like the squeeze is already over. Can't say for sure, but looks really weak already pulling back. So, yep, same thing. Hit the sell button, guys. Secure the gains, and don't go long. That'd be FOMO, and going short appears to be pretty good play right now. A lot of downside to go. Should pull back to at least 65. So, I'm going to say short-term bearish here. All right, let's look at BuzzFeed and TCM. All right, so BuzzFeed, yeah, it looks like it low-key could be bull flagging, but yeah, 59 RSI, so a little bit overbought there, a little overvalued. So according to the RSI, this should be lower, maybe $2, the current price. Gap up at 99 cents, so this should come back down to 99 at some point. Can't say when, but in my opinion, in the short term. MACD is bullish, and could be a bull flag forming here. Could be. Certainly looks like it so far. So, if that's the case, that's bullish. Anyway, so actually, it's kind of neutral. I'm gonna lean more bearish than bullish. Because, yeah, there is a gap up. And looks like a falling knife right now. But we are getting bullish indicators here in the MACD and bull flag. So, for all we know, this could break out. I doubt it. I highly doubt it, but hey, who knows? So quite honestly, if you're not in this, I'd probably just stay away from it right now. But if I had to choose a side, I'd say bearish. I think this is still heavily shorted, and yeah, bearish indicators outweigh the bullish indicators, in my opinion here. Let me see. Speed. Yeah, still heavily shorted. So I'm gonna say short-term bearish on this. But hey, there is a big bull flag developing here, so could break out to the upside. This one's a little hard, but I'm gonna say more likely bearish than bullish. So short-term bearish here. Long-term, not really sure, because BuzzFeed is a legit company, but it's been struggling lately fundamentally. So long-term maybe bullish, but I'm gonna say short-term bearish. All right, TMC. Is there news here? Time is at 5:10. Alright, not sure why this is mooning here. But, yeah, so this did gap up today. May have topped out at 110, so looks like it did. So bearish indicator, cup and handle. Bearish indicator gap up at 89. RSI is at 68 right now, so, you know, not quite overbought and overvalued, but approaching that, so bearish there. Aftermarket is bullish, actually. It's going to the upside, and MACD is also bullish. So, yeah, not sure why this went up today. I think in the short term, this may come up to 118, maybe 125-ish. to complete the cup, but other than that, this does look short-term bearish. Not sure why it mooned today, but yeah, this looks like it's due for some pullback. So, based on the cup and handle here, 60, 30. Yeah, this should pull back to at least 89 to fill the gap there. Probably even 80 to complete the cup, to be honest. So, yeah. So short term, again, may come back up to 117, maybe 125 at the most, I would say. But I think in the short term, this is going to pull back to at least 89, probably around 80. So short term bearish on this one, I think. What up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, as always. Just liked. What's up? Thank you. Bro, after I covered Man U, it started its slow descent. Seriously, WTF? Let's see that. A little bit. It's starting to show weakness. It's not like a major gut or anything, but yeah, it is slowly pulling back. So sorry about that, man. I got just the thing for you. Where is it? He bought, he covered, dump it. Yep, never, ever fails. I feel you, dude. I feel you. It is extremely frustrating. Okay. Short MSGM time or more pumping tomorrow. What you think? I think you missed it because you just came in. We did analyze MSGM. So, not financial advice. It appears like the squeeze is winding down. This is an excellent entry on the short side. I don't know why you would go long here at 35 or whatever. RSI is insane. That'd be straight up FOMO. So, yeah, not financial advice. I certainly would not go long. Going short is a little risky because it is still technically squeezing, although probably winding down. So, yeah, maybe biased. But yeah, I think it's... I mean, it definitely will pull back very significantly, just a matter of when, not if. And, yeah, I don't think going long is a smart idea. Pretty much asking to be wrecked if you go long. So I think it's due for some major pullback. Maybe not tomorrow exactly, but in time. Like very... In a few days, it should pull back very significantly. So, what do I think? Don't go long, go short. Not financial advice. It hit 81 pre today. Yeah, and then it had an offering, and it went to 25, and then it pumped back up to 50. Crazy price action. Man U owners are mad that new bidders are not bidding at asking price. Stock is still holding up pretty well, though. It's being manipulated for sure. What is FD for IMPP, bro? Dude, can't you look it up yourself? Probably anything. Yeah, literally everything's an FD. The lowest option is 25 cents, which is like double the price. So don't even go for that. That's ridiculous. All right, let's do another skin. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. Is FD good or bad? Depends if you think like an ape or a financial professional. If you have any common sense, FDs are very bad, yes. If you're an ape, you could consider them good. But I certainly wouldn't. How about this? How about you try it out yourself and tell me if it's good or bad? No, I'm totally kidding. But that'll answer your question. Alright, looks like aftermarket. Still nothing much going on. All right. You're not sure if are you trolling, dude? FDs are really, really bad. Don't do it, okay? It is not a long-term winning strategy. You will lose. Almost guaranteed. Okay, alright. Post-market, still nothing that crazy going on. Let's finish up with Yolos. You're just talking about IMPP? Yeah, it's bad. Any FD is bad, dude. Especially with IMPP. I just showed it to you. The 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 lowest strike is 50 cents. It's currently at 25 cents. So you need a 100% gain for that to work. Do you think IMPP is going up 100% in a month? You're crazy, dude. Does that mean people buy option for 52 low average stock? What do you... And now I'm not understanding you. Dude, point is, don't buy FDs. Don't buy options. If you're going to buy options, make sure the strike is very achievable, not like something totally out there, and make sure it's like 6 months and out. Don't buy anything 6 months and lower. If you're going to buy options, buy leaps. And sell options. Don't buy options. We literally do, and we're going to do it right now, we literally do YOLOs every day. And when have you seen FDs work? 1 out of 10 times? FD for option, right? Yes, that's options. Do you know what FD stands for? Look it up, dude. I can't say it. There's a reason why it's called FD. Alright, let's get to the FDs. Can you YOLO me FD? I don't YOLO, dude. You can YOLO. I don't YOLO. Tell me how it goes. Alright, guys. Let's finish up with the YOLOs today. Time is at 5:20. Alright, we should be out of here in like 20 minutes. 15, 20 minutes. Alright, so today we have quite a bit of content. 12 YOLOs. Well, yeah, 12 YOLOs, bunch of memes, gained coin, lost coin, a little bit of everything. Pretty good content today, so this should be fun. Let's do it, guys. You want to be on Wall Street Bets? Are you sure, dude? Careful what you wish for. First one, by Accomplished Body, 160. GTFO now. So, here's our man, Jim Cramer. Right? The legend. What's he say this time? Jim Cramer says we're in a bull market, so buy on the dip. Oh my god. Alright, Cramer says buy. And, guy's not always wrong, but he tends to be wrong. So, I'm a little worried here. It's been going good. Maybe the run's over. I don't know. Certainly hope he's wrong. I certainly hope he's right. But, hey. If history repeats itself, this is not good. Alright. So yeah. Jim Cramer making another bold prediction. And we'll see how that goes. But, staying on that topic. So we got our other guru here, right? Michael Burry. Which, I think is more legit than Jim Cramer. Although the past few years, he kind of lost his legitimacy. Still more legitimate than Cathie Wood. So, by In the Money Adam. Nailed it. So, yeah, Michael Burry, back in, I don't know when this was, a couple months ago. Sell. So, Jim Cramer says buy. Michael Burry says sell. So far, Jim Cramer's been right. So, who to believe? Dumb or dumber? Yeah. Here's the tail of the tape. Kramer says buy, Burry says sell. Who you got? All right, who you guys got? Recession championship. FOMC day. Yeah, I don't want to root for Kramer, but I think I'm gonna have to it on this one. I'm gonna go with Kramer. That pains me to say, but I hope we keep running here. Yeah. Although we probably are due for somewhat of a pullback. Michael Burry is looking at charts with the wrong eye. Or he has it upside down, right? Alright, who you guys got? Sorry about the sirens, guys. Alright, next one. Let's get to the Yolos. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, right. Alright, so this is by Super Bear. Hold on, actually. Hold on. Let me see something. Yeah, okay, hold on. Yep, this is good. Alright. Let's get to the Yolos. By Super Bear put. 35K 0 day till expiration. Don't do this, guys. YOLO. 295 contracts. 3,960 strike long puts. So he bought puts. What? Alright. He says the Federal Reserve will either announce a 25 or 50 basis point interest rate. Yeah, alright, he got that right. Unemployment is low and inflation is hitting the estimates. Which is basically giving the Fed green light to continue with rate hikes and hawkish statements. Yeah, wrong on that. Yes, continue with rate hikes, but not hawkish statements. So January had a big run, and powers that be is gonna rug pull. I fully expect to at least 7x my position today if all goes according to how I think it will. Oh my god. He thought he was gonna make... he thought he was gonna make 150K, bro. In one day. Oh my god. For all you regards that want to inverse me, please do immediately as it is free money. Yes, right. Alright, so he loaded more, and, yeah, so now it was 56K, 0 day till expiration. So he loaded, what, 4,396. So 403.96. Yep, it's at 410. He was really, really wrong. Anyway, so here's an update. 57K 0 day expiration, SPX puts lost. JPOW got me. Lost corn for you filthy degenerates. Always inverse me for max gains. I'll be taking some internet points to ease the pain now. Yep.
And it's gone.
Another FD. Yeah, this is an FD. This, you can't get any more FD than this. 0 day expiration. Super out of the money. I don't know. So I don't know why he did this to start with. I don't know why he doubled down. And, yeah. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. So, that is how you blow up your account. Or at least 56K in one day. Very impressive. Very impressive. Give him some applause here. Yeah, so Super Bear put... I don't know what you're thinking here, dude. What the logic is. There's no logic. Ape logic. So, yeah. You did everything completely wrong. You kind of deserve this. So I hope you can afford to take the loss here. And if not, I don't know what you're doing, dude. But yeah, epic loss, Corn. Thanks for posting. You're a legend, no matter what. And, yeah, good luck, dude. Alright, can't give credit. 40K SPY puts YOLO. Checking in. Please save me, JPOW. Oh, God. Alright, so we got time here. This one expires March 17th. 380 put. 40K YOLO. So he's already down 15K. which is 37%. Let's check out SPY here. Let's see what delta is. March 17th, 380 put 13. All right, 13% chance this works. Yeah, not looking good at all, dude. So not sure when this was purchased, but not working out and not looking good. So you still got a month and a half to go. I mean, anything can happen, but 13% chance your odds are not looking that great. In my opinion, you should probably cut your loss here. Save yourself 25K. Because if you don't, good chance this goes to 0. So instead of asking Jay Powell to save you, why don't you just save yourself? Anyway, so yeah, FD here. Not a super FD, but FD. Not working out. Probably won't work out. Hit the sub button, dude. Good luck. Please post updates. All right, by Silver and Wings. Absurd Disney gain delayed. All right, so this is old, but and not sure what he even did. But he went from like 20K to 216K in about a couple of days here. So I'm assuming Disney FDs, Disney calls. So that is quite the gain. 1100% gain, something like that. Well done. Not sure if it was skill or luck or both or what, but hey. Fat Tendies, congrats to you. Enjoy your gains, dude. Alright, let's get to the Lost Corn. 5 more. By Chino. Am I doing this right? Alright, capital losses so far. Is this for this year or last year, dude? I hope this is last year. So the guy lost 111.5K. But hey, you can deduct 3,000 of that every year. So you got yourself a like a 35-year tax deduction here. Are you doing this right? Absolutely, absolutely. You're a legend, dude. Keep at it. Nice. Alright, can't give credit. F'd in 4K HD. Alright, so NVIDIA, not FDs. These are actually leaps. Alright, so not sure when these were made, but yeah. Bunch of money here in NVIDIA. Not sure what the cost basis is. But he is calls for September 15th, 150, 175 strike, and 125 put March 17th. What? Alright. Anyway, he's down over 100K here.
And it's gone.
It's NVIDIA. It's 210. So this is in the money. All right, so this is this is what happens when you buy at the money. All right, this isn't as bad as it seems, to be honest. As long as it stays over 150, 175, he'll be okay. Just gonna have to buy a lot of shares, so I hope he can afford that. Okay, so a little deceiving. Not as bad as it seems. So he's not actually down 100K. Well, he is, but if it expires, this just needs to expire above 175 by September 15th, which it may not actually. So, yeah, not sure what the cost basis is, but down 100K, and I mean, he should. It's looking like a worst case. Hopefully, worst case is he has to buy the shares. At 150 or 175. Worst case, he loses everything, which I'm not sure how much more there is here. But anyway, Epic Lost Corn, not as bad as it seems, but yeah, this is still pretty bad. Anyway, yeah, sorry for your loss. Good luck to you, and please post updates. All right, buy electronic shirt 214. Lost core and don't gamble, kids. Yep, try to tell you guys every day, and you guys still do it. You apes still do it. So all time down 20K, 98%.
And it's gone.
And I see he has one final YOLO here. It expires tomorrow. $400 put. So yeah, that's his last hoorah. He's gonna go broke. Yeah, don't gamble. Show it to FDs. Invest. Don't gamble. And I think the rest of them are just the same thing, pretty much. Buy Nokia to the moon. Yeah, right. PayPal leaps. 96% down. 18.5K down the drain. Break even 215.8. All right, so this is a good example of... See, even when you buy leaps, not FDs, you can still get wrecked. So purchased, yeah, 2 years ago, November 9th, 2021, and expires January 19th, 2024. So this is actually not... I understand the logic. This is not, like, super apish. This was actually... There was a method to the madness here. Anyway, so expires in 1 year. Less than 1 year. 120 call. Yeah, I don't know about that. So you need 50% in 1 year. I mean, anything is possible, and we are hitting a bull market again, so you never know. But, yeah, not looking too great, dude. So you only got $600 left in value here. You might as well just hold it. You're already down 18.5K. What's another 600? At this point, just hold it and hope for the best. But you could pretty much count this as a total loss. And if you get lucky, then great. But yeah, unfortunate. So I do feel kind of bad because this is not super apish. This was planned, just didn't go right. So yeah, be careful, guys. Even when you try to do things the right way, you can still get wrecked on options. So be careful when you buy options. So, Nokia to the moon. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. I am sorry. I see what you're trying to do here. It just didn't work out, and this is pretty tough. But I hope you're okay. Hopefully you get lucky. Good luck to you, dude. Please post updates. All right, last one. Can't give credit. If anyone needs me, I'll be behind Wendy's. All right, so FD here. Super FD, 0-day FD. SPY 410 put. It actually finished at 410.8, so I guess it went to 0. Yep. So 10K YOLO, down 9.8K here, 93%. So an hour ago there was still $700 here in value. Now it's probably 0. Anyway, so yeah, it was pretty close, but yeah, this is why you don't play FDs, especially 0-day FDs. So that's how you blow up 10.5K in a day. So I will see you behind Wendy's. Yes. Here you go. Cool. Alright, guys. So that's all the YOLOs for today. Last order of business. Let's do one more scan. What time is it? 5:35. So, alright. Yeah, I said hour and a half, 2 hours. Right on time here. Alright, last scan. Why is Carvana mooning? Still nothing. And boss. Alright, yep. So just KBNT, CETX. Yeah, Carvana is mooning here. What is going on? Stupid meme squeeze again. No news. Yeah, Carvana's mooning. Carvana's... Don't know what's going on there, but highly suspicious. 10x down to 314 now. Nice. Yeah, nothing going on post-market here other than 10x. And some other stuff randomly squeezing for no reason. All right. I think that's it, guys. Cool. All right. So, thank you guys for the show today. Hope you guys enjoyed. It is 5:37. So yeah, right on time. So really bullish day here today. I mean, really bullish month and year, really. So yeah, hope you guys made some fat tendies. Even myself, Rainbow Bear, made some fat tendies. So I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow and on Discord. All right. Possibly do some TA tonight. Probably not. We'll see. All right. Let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.